Katina Mampai John Dramani Mahama. Sa Abroso etumpan.
So Foreign Minister Okudzeto Ablakwa. Hey, and this is from what the Ghana be kwa to so hemu.
Enti ade bo ba ku bekum no ma me no. Ye be den komo afa Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa, Mirror of Justice, awoye Foreign Affairs Minister. Ne ho aka adwa mu. Oba news ni mu. Ye be discuss. Na fe so Bonohene e won nsem bi e ka kire Mahama na so ma otie no a kire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Me so say need mu. O be like video no da ma subscribe button, some click the notification code no latest update, some kire wadwen da ma me e wo comment section. Me so bass for no a share for so enya bi ahwe. E dey see no hwe Ghana ha no mu a Ghana be dan the ball aso. Ya jingura, sebe ya jingura. Ghana any USA akwa sign some deportation agreement be memorandum of understanding. Yes, say USA deport illegal, immigrants be Ghana ese ye beje. Say as ya bobo dam dey go marry mu. As ya adwen ya adwuma. As ya bobo dam illegal immigrant mu America, this American citizen deport wo mu no. Ebi a South Africa for, ebi a Nigeria for, Liberia for, Mahama for, Obia president, ye do mu kwa no about reject. Ghana de see a beje. Am I even to understand say, hey, ye din gaji bebre aba hanamo, am e ba ye kra no. Omu a just the deportation ye je omu Ghana hanamo. Omu si Ghana government for unlawful detention. Eje de be hunu nie. See ye ni mu nyansa. Eje de be hunu nie. Deportees ebe si Ghana government. See ya bobo dam. Ene go ma wi adwe nya adwuma. Ti sa de beko. Abobo dam. Sa si ya de beko. Na nansi emu ana ezakoba say another batch of deportees bi so no Ablakwa akwasan agreement ese obaji wo mu. Jere da Ablakwa de Ghana dan de o. Ablakwa Ghana dan ball so. Yes, America tu niema fu tu go no na Ghana so ye agi wo mu ha no mo. Ye tete criminal ye agi omu e wa ha. America deport illegal immigrants no. Na Ghana ye agi wo mu e wa ha no mo. Eno ana bisa comedian is what TikTokers for edwa lie. O musa Ablakwa e dey na wo chiri. Honorable e dey na wo chiri. Ghana nya ball so. And want me for mine nya de wo pe. E ka say wo de wo tumi, ala say wo de wo tumi e ye de wo pe. Ye deport obi as meje no. Kakra wo hu nti kakra nko wo nkwade ye hu de e ba de Ghana nyanse enya firi mu munya de mo ye no.
So Foreign Minister Okudzeto Ablakwa. Hey, and this is from what the Ghana be kwa to so hemu. President Mahama deal se ben na money US friends and government no dealing is ano. Modi a notorious criminal from El Salvador. The name back Ghana so me den. Ebusianfo, if you don't know the history between Salvador, go and read about El Salvador. They are notorious criminals. They deal in a friend is saying they are in gangs. Omukum nipa, they are robbers, they are murderers, they are gangster. And a foreign minister, etimini abaina ko negotiate. Eddie one of the notorious criminals ever Ghana because say ye pemwa every US government. Hey, Okudzeto Ablakwa, enti kukuti ni any way. And Ghana for my team, there are some issues we should speak about. Oh, this is not about MPP, this is not about NDC. Said if the country goes into chaos, I mean, no me and any team. So people voice out. The foreign minister, I know you. Stand on the US for no, take a deal, say, Anne, say, almost deporting the per for US and say, almost the sunny pane bagana, almost better, sir, you vis anymore, almost say. Omo my visa sa for 3 years no enti omo de nkofo ni omo deporting nkofo no e ba Ghana foreign minister eti ase e mo omo de deportees for ne ba Ghana no e na omo twa mu na iso mama 5 years enti they are negotiation with a friend is our foreign minister and it is very 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 dangerous to the country. How can you bring a criminal into our country? We are not even safe. We are not even safe. People have fled from Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire. And no abai no mumpe who be yet. And na USA nti muntimi nyam kurom ye. Muntimi nyam kurom ye nti foreign minister Okudzeto Ablakwa bebrebe we nyina we. Hey, and yeah, we have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. We so yeah the politics. Ade enye no. NDC ni be support say yeah. Na MPP ni mo mabo atwo agu. NDC ni so opposition. Na MPP ni koye bia. MPP ni be defend ba san kwase ade we de. Me MPP ni so MPP ni ya me fire no ayan kwase asem. The thing was all the notorious person, notorious criminal. Every he fa de bet na Ghana for ade. Hey,
I mean, one can say citizens, and yet other citizens. Almost a woman, you
That's how Kwabakwe was forced out and deporting.
exactly.
And now how many where to the country?
Yeah. Also, woman, you Latin American countries, women are stronger than us, and I said, they didn't think woman penny for me do a woman see from the moon farmer there.
Well, Nigeria, they refused.
And I say, oh, yeah, hey, Nagana, Okopa, some assembly, Okopama, your family, you know, for
Sudan, Rwanda, and I said,
I'm fast already there. Even send us a make a big room hakrano. I'm only like as a young penny, and my most send them to as a qua. Because we should show some national dignity, Kakra. Masa, Sami Kasa, no, sa, US defense agreement, yeah. And the America for the court. Masa, okay, agreement, I say, you shoot that time. Masa, agreement, no, you're true, Moses America should have for Bagana. No, Muku Ghana for you to me in court. I didn't come, man. How?
I'm saying, you're from Raback.
How? Say America so then or back Ghana. No cool Ghana near. Ghana meaning to me in court. Near penny so you're penny for a penny at the time where near penny so begin when ye near sign aquatro catadi and Sasha says so America so that for back Ghana. Now one would destroy property between a car, between a wood dying, with Japan. Want to mean court for compensation? Me happiness so. Hey, not gonna penny for what to say me.
Now, so question say one diplomatic car in your Aquinshia quarters. Remember,
diplomatic car, but there are other remedies.
Yeah,
there are other remedies.
Maybe insurance.
Yes, and it applies to all countries equally. Ghana diplomats who could accidental. The same rules apply. Geneva Convention applies to everybody. Now we are different. America ni ba no obo near to a won't mean court, won't mean police. Soldier, ordinary soldier, they diplomat. You are company agreement to be a sign agreement to be a opening team you.
Yeah.
A sign agreement to be a. There are some who can cry, won't push any own can Kwesi. America soldier, or Bagana, or here passport, or here visa. Ohiashi obedu border Ghana customs near they need to me besides a day and show bag room you be any bag so you pay beyond or the back or quiet be any bag soon be sana self. Now on my man yet to tan say come now and now time and yet you near she and no need hear me
Bonohene you never so no the Ablakwa.
Ayi nuclear bomb cry no dey back on the back because it na
Come we have new. Come we have new. This is serious, eh?
But Chairman, what did he make said an Uncle Kwesi?
It's serious.
Some of the deportees are contesting the grounds in Tia ye deport war.
And I'm Kwesi.
The from crying.
Apart from that, omo edi won be. Ebisi me magia to me Ghana ni. Me Nigeria ni. Na Nigeria no. Me ko ho ayi be kume. And I'm saying me say nti emfami nko Nigeria. Me adina bagana. Edini bagana ni asa achi no de ko Nigeria. Ede na hai.
Yes, you mukoto. I took na you mukoi.
Na ngo si wokro na. Agreement America for penny for the court now court to place so which will deport one they say arrangement o mo ye no fa ko ye di won kwa won be e be di wu na say e be di won no ye mfa won ko on be do her near Sunday one call. I didn't hear
Me papa, me bra penny, Kwesi akano. These are all matters of concern. I hear I bring papa. Me did this yen timenya ya maina mbrofofone me fa all be in the name of money. I agree. But deportations were, you know, as I say, very careful. A bimu who I said the England can only a Ghana for. It is a Ghana in any permanent somebody the provenance I was the one, you know, a hint one.
Not on your Ghana need. I wanted the Chris Pratt of the government, or only the government of the matter.
Matthias,
on your Ghana need.
Matthias, I'm a Sapuke or a Ghana need. Also, ye titi and the fan who did so. Abuse of his rights and so was the fan bra. So you're endorsing the abuse of his rights.
Brother, see a titi and the fan who dear cry no. As it's so big chance I will be standing as something to saying. And it's here to never fighting. The very reason I also did deportation or the general court. No, there's any abandoned. Honorable. Say ye theatre and have found what this so. Say ye theatre and found what this no. O baby fee, the way be sunny side some no course. No be a year permanent make a Ghana new. I'm talking about Ghanaian. I'm not talking about the international. Say, oh, you're Ghana in ye theatre and found what this your cry no. As a so beefy. You be sunny side the course saying. One year Ghana need ya, Timmy. 1 year Ghana need ya. And His Excellency Mahama no worker said the arrangement is not to get them to come and stay here forever. I also agree, sir. And Uncle Kwesi can say, if your final destination is Nigeria, why do you come to Ghana and 3 months now work for Nigeria? So listen. So the arrangement that necessitated the fact that Nipanembra Ghana and Sana work on Nigeria and I say Benin. I don't have that fact sitting here. What do you say? But hold on. Parliament and no can interrogate it. I have never disagreed with you, sir. That's true. No, my dear, my parliament. I'm only saying, sir, Brian won't say, you need parliament. And I don't think that these things. So why the rush? I don't think that. Hold on, the guys have been deported, isn't it? So you don't say, sir, you reject them. You reject them and hold on. Let's have a conversation. Yes. I don't think, sir. You better say Yambram Rasha bedroom. Nothing, young farmer to him. And Sunday Union was so much, issues. I apam me in your baby corner. And send on your beefy there be. I think say be a cedar, and I make us a be a cedar. What do? Yenya or mobile, we rectified it. But again, so Nipani a Ghana near. They be any more because it's a Ghana. So Nipani near Ghana near. You bet near the home come on. Near her said. So you have found hands and I'm going to fear now. And that's what I'm going to fear direct. And then you bet me the home come on. That's so Nipan here Ghana near. Mania, so Unia, I'm the Oti Adana said Trump. Who explanation, oh man. What has said Trump never did Mr. Witches, I said, that's the best we can have. Don't worry. Who say you are speculating? They say, who name reason here, Mumbai? It's one of the things you said. Well, see, reasons in TB or more background. I'm saying that I don't have all the facts. So okay, that is why comment on this one. Foreign Minister Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa Edituja said the Indian comradeship is because not only it's also comradeship. Okay. And that is based. I'll say it is based on advice from the Attorney General Dominicayini. Dominicayini say he has a comradeship. So did you hear from Dominicayini himself? The foreign minister said he won't lie on the attorney general. The attorney general's advice. That's what you all believe. Are you calling the foreign minister a liar? Not at all. He can never be a liar. Someone I want peddling on truth. That is not the point. It means just a foreign minister Okudzeto Ablakwa say. Attorney general. No, make that. But I'm challenging even that position of yours. You see that he is challenging the position. I'm challenging that position. Come me man challenge your position. Come on, this. I'm challenging your position. We are not in the house. When my people get here, Chairman. The reason why, Chairman, your very premise, I disagree because the Attorney General was the lawyer
for government. In the Gitmo case, that's the Maghreb.
He's only communicating to. He's only conveying.
This same argument was made.
No.
And the Supreme Court said no.
No.
So far as Ghana has an obligation to perform under this treaty, agreement, or whatsoever, and it places obligation on the state of Ghana and the people of Ghana, it must be ratified by Parliament.
That is your information.
Not my information. No.
But that is your information. That's what you are saying.
Not my information.
Dear Kwame is only informing us what had transpired. So he's not explaining, justifying anybody's position.
The reason why
Kwame is not doing that.
General,
exactly.
But what I'm telling Kwame is that the foreign minister's position is that Attorney General said na Parliament.
You disagree with that?
I disagree with that.
That's your opinion.
The Supreme Court, in a decided case of Margaret Banfo and the Attorney General, and that of Broja Jemfi versus the Attorney General, the court was consistent in this decision. It's no longer my thinking. Or say this is the Constitution, and the Constitution didn't make any formal distinction. The Supreme Court said that the Constitution did not make any formal distinction. Say where you true diplomatic effort or where you true paperwork. Or say once a documentation, agreement, treaty, whatsoever, binding the people of Ghana. Because it's binding. The Attorney General cannot say when you MOU, so it's not binding. What do you mean by it's not binding? What the biaba? What catch or say the 2,000 ba? What sounds so come website or see 80,000 and much share no so deba. Kwame. Na me constituency. Would be be go honum now? But some already menya so mentiapo. Me squad dey go me so okra me ntimi so bin we. Timode ne na mu ana betu wo de ho na bia wo no. Oh,
what's the
the very premise foreign minister was basing on, and I make us a flaw because the Supreme Court had decided, say, no longer for you to even second guess on it or say this is the Constitution.
But according to foreign minister, says this is from the Attorney General. And the Attorney General, as you said, interesting, was a lawyer then.
Yes, he was a lawyer.
He was Deputy Attorney General.
Yes, but he went to court on that matter.
But interestingly, pretty time our foreign minister can say, maintain Attorney General can say, and you know, in German, they say,
oh no, the party member and the colleague member of Parliament is asking, did you hear from the Attorney General? That's what he asks you.
No, you see, but because you see, that information.
There's a comedian as well. Bonohene, as one same be, a catcher Mahama, and NDC.
Katra Mampai John Dramani Mahama. Sa Abroso etumpai. Tenkomana menudi no. Mampai John Dramani Mahama and this yabai Katra Musa Abroso the Canada hodo. Katra Musa du amukaya no enyano no muyama Ghana for. The leaders government. Mampai John Dramani Mahama in opposition. Some oba obeme lean government.
Wait.
A mamua and painful a womua, woman mampai in the bumino, and ye kitawese, and yet to do. But mampai John Dramani Mahama Bayano, San Lean government Brofono, Nirefi. Lean government Brofono, Akraba, mampai John Dramani Mahama, Nirefi. Deputy High Commissioners, Ghana and Msifua. Yadu amuko UK, yadu amuko US, Germany, China, Japan. Say was deputies 18. 18 and Ablakwa deputies. And why and the yadia Abroso e bin sigana abakoso mu pen.
You can we also be reset your mind.
Their work of 4 pen so 2000 to 2004. Some deputies a year mono, no mo ye 9.
You can we also be reset your mind.
2004 to 2008. Fabian Kahon. 2009, 2012, hey, Yamfabi, deputies Yamfabi. 2013, 2016, Yamfabi. 2017, 2024, Sabi. Brahman Pain another better kunyaso. Wafa deputy 6 pe. Antibisa Mampayi John Dramani Mama in a spate of 9 months. Deputies in Kwa 18. Omuka Yadang.
Mahama.
Waboyeka. Wabo Ghana foka. And some deputies you are mukwe. And your Ghana phone ye to Omukao. And ya UK na walk on. Germany na walk on. US na walk on. And a year coach you Amuka. Omune Muska to Amuka. A Ghana taxpayers money. And you bet you amuka.
You can't wear so very set your mind.
Akraba, omu basic monthly end. Tiyan komana menu di no. Aye $7,000. Deputy for no. $7,000. Busumi biya. Nipa 18. Yabe kikabum. Ye mathematics ya. Now, Kraba, allowances on budget a film no close to $150,000 to $170,000.
Hey, Mahama.
Nipa bakubia. And to multiplier. Sa nipa 18 no close to $2.7 million to $3.1 million.
Wow.
4 years or more Muslim deputies or Musuma Ghana car no.
You can't wear so very
Near Wokroma Timiko pre $3 million if you bridge say IMF one. Abra ye was Sika Wokroma near says Sikano, ye wasting money no. Abra Yaman Payina was a with the linear government. Sanabe on my Ghana, Yahoba in higher. Yanti Mampayin John Dramani Mahama in opposition. Yamra Sisia.
Me Kase say a baba one. You better minister for no so. You better minister for no so. Let me say, Minister Bia, woman come, you know, Sir Land Cruiser back home, no man a Saluka back home, no man a dine, no man a petrol, no electricity bill, the water bill, the DSTV. One man allowance, BBR. Ain't yet say minister for no so. Ye benya sika etua assembly members so. Enti maka to ho. Say me be your man Penyah. Me minister for omomro 60.
You can't wear so
Omomro dosia.
Yeah, hey. Can't your man Payini with all respect to the president, Manun Timin Trano, because me had a man Payini no, but one yard your can.
Ne kana da hodo.
And your ministers and one appointments. You can't remember. Ambassador Sika ho, or deputy Sika ho, MMDC Sika ho, chief executive officer Sika ho, etumpai. And Tisikanwa, Yede Babwa Ghana, ye better Susan a Ghana who better you know. Sikan Hina was here.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Ai Penyah Block Media. Akra.